Kia ora e te whānau. The University of Auckland Business School's Centre for Innovation and Entrepreneurship develops innovative and entrepreneurial talent to better Aotearoa and the world. We do this by providing students such as you with experiential programs, events and workshops at our innovation hubs.
No matter what you study or what you go on to do, an entrepreneurial mindset and an innovative capability is essential. Whether you want to be an industry leader, social entrepreneur, innovator, inventor, or startup founder, we have something to help you create the future.
This includes our free experiential programs that will provide you with supportive networks, frameworks to develop your high potential ideas, and a mindset to help you realize them. Our programs include Velocity, the University of Auckland's student-led globally renowned startup accelerator, Incubator Venture Lab, and our international award-winning social entrepreneurship program Summer Lab, plus so much more. We provide opportunities for students and staff of all faculties at Waipapa Taumata Row, the University of Auckland. If you are interested in our programs or want to find out more information about our most recent news and event offerings, please visit our website or sign up to our newsletter.
Kuramatahuna Unleash Space is a state-of-the-art innovation hub that includes a makerspace, event space and co-working space. It's a perfect place to bring together our community of like-minded students and staff who are motivated, curious and have innovative potential. We also have Startup Studio, a dedicated co-working space where students and staff who are actively working on building a startup can have access to mentorship, resources and a locker. Unleash Space also has an open plan area with mobile tables and chairs and an AV display for you to collide and share knowledge with others.
The general hours for Unleash Space are 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Makerspace hours can differ slightly. Equipment and training options in Unleash Space includes 3D printer, 3D scanner, CNC router, laser cutter, mobile photo studio, sewing station, soldering and desoldering station, vacuum former, vinyl cutter. Te Ahi Hangaro is the name gifted to the business school's 5G technology hub. It comprises of Ahi, which means fire, and Hangaro translates as technology. Through offering students at Waipapa Taumata Row with the opportunity to explore new technologies at Te Ahi Hangaro, we aim to ignite inspiration for problem solving and help create tech-savvy and future-ready graduates. Equipment and training options in Te Ahi Hangaro includes 5G, 3D printing, Internet of Things, virtual reality. To find out about equipment training and workshops for these, sign up to our CIE events newsletter.
So that's it. Thank you for watching this video and learning about all of the amazing opportunities available to you through CIE.
We look forward to welcoming you at our innovation hubs. Kia pai tō rā.